Do you want to change your boring video background to a professional studio without buying expensive studio gear? Do not worry. Today, you will learn how to remove green screen using Chroma Key in CapCut Mobile. First, open CapCut Mobile and start a new project. Import your new background image or video first. Now, tap on Overlay at the bottom and tap Add Overlay to select your green screen video clip. Next, select your green screen clip in the timeline. Scroll right on the bottom menu and tap on Remove BG. Now, tap on Chroma Key and drag the color picker circle onto the green area of your video. Now, tap on Intensity and drag the slider to the right until the green background disappears completely. Next, tap on Shadow and adjust the slider to fix any dark outlines or green edges around your subject, then tap the check mark. Here is a fast pro tip. What if you do not have a green screen? Simply tap on Remove BG and select Auto Removal. CapCut AI will automatically remove the background from any video instantly. That is it. You can now place yourself in any location in the world. You can access CapCut Mobile from the link below. Subscribe for more easy editing tips.